Okay, this seems like a good opportunity for me to tell you a little bit about something. But basically I need your help. I was 50 this year and I wanted to do something to mark my 50th that was a little bit different. Bank holiday weekend at the end of August, I'm taking 50 IFAK medical kits to Ukraine. But I'm going to take all 50 of them on my motorcycle. Now they come in a molly pouch. A molly pouch is something that attaches easily to the webbing of soldiers or fighters or defenders, whatever you want to call them on the front line. What you get in that pouch is a couple of tourniquets, you get vented chest seals, you'll get hemostat agent, Israeli bandages, barrier gloves, lots of goodies that can be used to save somebody's life on the front line. They're trauma kits, which means that if someone has sustained an horrific injury on the front line, this kit can potentially, they can either use it themselves or their mate next to them can grab the kit and use it on them. But it contains tourniquets, field dressings, hemostat, which is an agent that stops bleeding, vented chest seals for injuries to the lungs and chest, lots of goodies. These kits will save people's lives. So I'm asking for help from you. I'm going to take 50 of these kits over to Ukraine at the end of August. But I'm going to take all 50 of them on my motorcycle. And the reason I'm doing that is they'll fit on at a push, but we'll get them all on. But the reason I'm doing it that way is I'm doing this stretch, which is from Calais to the Ukraine border with Poland. It's 1,066 miles, give or take. I'm aiming to do it in less than 24 hours. 1,066, 1066. There's a number to remember. Should be implanted in all of your brains from history lessons. So we're calling the project Ukraine 1066. I'd like to do it a lot less than 24 hours. I'd like to do it in about 20 hours. But I'm aiming to do it in less than 24. The reason for that is I want to demonstrate to people and remind people just how close this is. We see it on the news, we see it in the papers, we read about it on the internet, we see it on social media, and it's kind of become a bit normal. Please, we must not forget how important this is. What I need your help for is to help me raise money to buy the kits. I've got a Just Giving page where you can donate, the details of which I've put in the text below. Or if you want to WhatsApp me or email me, I can give you details of how to send a donation straight to a bank account instead. So please help. We've had some tremendous help so far. Thank you very, very, very much. What I aim to do is I'm going to film the lot as well, and then you will see me do the ride. You'll go with me on the GoPros, on the YouTubes, on the social media. You'll be with me when I hand the kits over. They'll be handed over to medical teams in Ukraine who will take them straight down to the front line. Potentially, one kit could save 3 or 4 lives. You could save 3 or 4 lives. Done.